antique car museum.
Like, why couldn't he haunt an antique pizza parlor?
Yeah. It's locked.
How are we gonna get in? I had to ask.
Yeah. You're doing great. You can open the door from the inside for us.
Whoa!
Let's split up. If we're lucky, we'll find the Phantom.
You mean if we're lucky, we won't find him?
Yeah.
Hey!